Hey there, Omnisenders! We've got something incredible to share with you. Actually, no, let me try that again. Esteemed Omnisend clients, it is with great pleasure that we bring forth a matter of profound significance for your esteemed consideration. Allow us to unveil a truly extraordinary announcement tailor-made for your discerning sensibilities. Okay. And that was essentially an A/B test of your form's copy, figuratively speaking. Which one resonates more is up to your audience to decide, so replace the I think to I know in your marketing plans based on real data, not speculation. You asked for it and we listened. We're thrilled to unveil a real game changer that we've had in the works for some time now. Introducing Form A/B testing, a new powerhouse feature that lets you make much more confident decisions with your sign-up forms. But stay tuned because we're just warming up. In our future content, we'll take a closer look at A/B testing, giving you insights, practical tips, and techniques to boost your form's success. Get set to make your marketing even better with Omnisend. We're excited to share more soon.